Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying warranty eligibility. Record the WD model number, serial, and purchase date because RMA requires exact identifiers. Once done, back up your data to an external drive or cloud image. This prevents loss if WD calls for return without data recovery. Make sure you have tools on an anti-static surface, Torx or Phillips, and a soldered USB adapter if it's a laptop drive. You're ready to open the chassis or eject the drive bay and proceed with removal. Power down and unplug the system, then discharge static by touching a grounded metal surface. You must avoid electrostatic damage. Next, remove the drive mounting screws and carefully unplug the SATA and power cables or extract the M2 module by unscrewing its standoff. Do not bend connectors. Inspect the drive head, PCB, and all stickers for damage and preserve any tamper seals. Photograph each face and the serial label clearly. These images will speed up the WD RMA claim and prove the unit's condition. You file the RMA on WD support, attaching photos, the serial number, failure details, and proof of purchase. Be concise and factual so the claim isn't delayed. Once authorized, package the faulty drive per WD's instructions and ship with tracking and insurance. Keep the tracking number and all email confirmations. When the replacement arrives or the repaired unit returns, install it and run smart and a full read/write verification. If issues persist, contact WD with your RMA number and new
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.